Hello everyone and welcome to my shout out videos for the young vacuum fans. A little bit later than I normally do them, but I'm hoping to get these out pretty soon. Happy New Year, by the way. You should be seeing this in 2025. So these videos are for the young vacuum enthusiasts as requested by their parents on my iBasic Facebook page. So if you've requested a shout out, this could be the video for you, but judging by the number of requests I've had this year, it's going to run on to several videos. Otherwise this video will be going on for hours and hours. But keep watching because you might get a mention. And also I've got some photos to show everyone of the young vacuum fans with their impressive vacuum cleaner collections. So without any further ado, let's start with the first shout out. This is James, sitting on James the vacuum. And this is from Nick Pratt. Thank you, Roger. We love your videos here and on your bits and doings. Here is a photo of James sitting on James the vacuum. And there he is. As you can see, James the vacuum is very strong. Strong enough, certainly, to hold James. I'm wondering if he's going to get pushed around on there. Yeah, it looks really good, doesn't it, James? He's smiling anyway, even despite the fact that James is sitting on James. James still has a smile on his face. Roger. Hi, Roger. Thanks for doing this. Jeffrey is 7 years old, loves your channel, and is a huge vacuum enthusiast. Here he is in front of his vacuum collection. Thank you so much for sharing your smoke detectors last year. He has shared his love for vacuums with his little sister Tilly, who runs around him while he vacuums now. Have a wonderful Christmas and thank you for the shout out. Well, thank you very much, Marie. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Obviously, time of filming this, Christmas is over. Actually, at the time of filming this, it's New Year's Eve, so we've got all that to come, all the fireworks going off at midnight. Fortunately, Daisy and Molly are now a bit deaf, so they can't hear it. They won't be disturbed by the fireworks, but I certainly will, so I'm going to have to stay up until after midnight. I like to be in bed for half 10 on New Year's Eve, but there's no point because I'll only get woken up by neighbours letting off fireworks. So anyway, yes, very impressive collection there. Can we get a shout out for Lincoln, who's 4? Hello, Lincoln. He loves your videos and has been an avid fan from the age of 1. Still watching you daily and using your page to find a video to go with any new vacuum he gets. His latest additions were a desk Hetty and a cordless Shark handheld for his birthday. Thanks to his friend Roger, he knows how to use the Shark properly. Here's his World Book Day Henry potato too. Wow, that's a potato. I hope you didn't eat him afterwards. Blimey, how do you make Henry out of a potato? Well, there it is. Very good. Lincoln with his Henry and Hetty summer adventure book as well. Hi Roger, this is Zach, who is now 11 and follows your every video. His ever-growing Hoover collection is getting bigger. He now has 63 Hoovers. He's been to the Henry factory and that was amazing. Well, Zach, I've never been to the Henry factory. I did meet Henry in person earlier this year at the Clean and Tidy Home show, so that was a joy. But I've never been to see where Henry was born, so you're very lucky. And I'm sure I'll be shouting out a few other vacuum fans that have been lucky enough to tour the Henry factory down there in Somerset. Hi Roger, my name is Emmett. Hello Emmett. I am 4 years old from Australia. I have 12 vacuums, my favourite being the pneumatic Henry and Hetty. I also like building new vacuums with bits and pieces I find around the house. I have enjoyed watching your videos for a very long time. My favourite ones are when you do a mess test. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And there is Emmett giving the thumbs up with his impressive collection there. Please give our son Rocco a shout out. He's a big fan of yours. Hello Rocco. From your unboxing videos, your mess tests, and he loves seeing your dogs. We have a mini dachshund called Dobby, but he doesn't like being involved in Rocco's mess tests. Rocco even dressed up as Hetty for World Book Day and took a Henry manual in as the book. Rocco's collection includes his only Henry extra that was a present from his Uncle Jimmy, a toy Henry and Hetty, both Henry and Hetty cleaning trolley sets, a Henry desk vacuum, a Henry plush, a collection of books and jigsaws, and hopefully this year he will get the Hetty ride-on. After all, he is on the good list. Well, I hope you did get the Hetty ride-on, Rocco. I don't think you can buy them anymore, so I'm not sure where Santa managed to get that from, because you can get Hetty. Well, you used to be able to get Hetty and Henry ride-on. I believe I've still got a Henry ride-on, although I'm a little bit too big to sit on it. I think I'd break it. Please could you give a shout out to 4-year-old Antonio. Although he now has a big interest in Hot Wheels, he still loves his vacuums and watching your videos after school. He is still a lover of anything pneumatic, and as you can see, he and Mummy had a Henry Quick for an early Christmas pressie thanks to the Black Friday sales. He couldn't wait to do an unboxing and demo. Once he turns 5 in the summer, we're hoping to take him on the factory tour, which he's very excited about. Thank you for all your wonderful and informative videos and for keeping my little hurricane occupied for at least half an hour or so. And there he is with that lovely Henry Quick there. They have been on offer, and I think all of them have been on offer recently. Henry Quick Pet. I think even the new Henry Quick Pro has been on offer. So it's always worth checking out myhenry.com for the latest offers and subscribe to their newsletter, and you should be notified when they have sales. But they always have sales all year round on selected different models. It changes obviously each month. But yes, well worth keeping an eye on myhenry.com. Hi Roger, happy Christmas. Well, thank you. It's gone now, but happy New Year. Could you please include a shout out to my 2-year-old Franklin in London, Canada? He watches your vacuum videos exclusively every day. He is a huge fan of you and your videos. Here's a photo of him at our local vacuum store. Franklin has recently received his very own C3 Miele for Christmas with an array of attachments. Thank you. And there he is, trying out a Henry there, or Henry Type Clean. I don't know if that's branded Henry, I can't quite see. Let's expand the picture. It is a Henry. Henry with front mounted switches. And you can tell that's not a UK Henry because it's got the high visibility yellow cord. Hi Roger / Mr. Ibasic. This is my grown-up vacuum cleaner collection, as I've now grown too big for the kids versions. I have 2 Dyson DC24, a Dyson V7, a Dyson DC25 and a G-Tech AirRam MK1. I've been a fan since I was 4 and I am turning 12 tomorrow. Thank you for all your funny and informative videos. Merry Christmas and happy 2025 to you, Mark, and the doggies of course. And that's from Ryan in Crewe, Cheshire. Hi Roger, please give a big shout out to my son Jack, who is a massive fan of vacuums and you. He started watching your videos before he was 2 and soon had us all hooked. We thought he might grow out of liking vacuums, but he hasn't. He just likes real ones as well as toy ones now. He is 6 in February. He loves watching your channel. He is hoping for a Hetty vacuum and a Henry cleaning trolley from Santa, so fingers crossed. As you can see, we have quite a selection of vacuums already. From Stafford, many thanks and a happy Christmas. Hi Ibasic, I've only just seen your shoutouts post, so hope I'm not too late. We love watching your videos. This is Reese, aged 8, who is getting his first pneumatic Charles for Christmas this year. Thank you for entertaining us and have a lovely Christmas. And there is Reese with a toy Dyson. And hopefully, Reese, you enjoyed getting your Charles this Christmas. I'm sure you've been putting him through his paces, picking up wet and dry. Charles can cope with it all, but don't make too much mess to clear up. Although I'm sure if you do any mess tests, you will make sure that Charles picks up all the dirt, wet or dry. So I'm sure you're enjoying using your new Charles. He'll keep your home spick and span all throughout 2025. Hi Roger, Ollie would love a shout out again. He finally made it to the pneumatic factory this year for a tour. He had a brilliant time and the staff were amazing. Ollie's Hoover collection has expanded quite a bit since his last shout out 2 years ago, but pneumatics are still his favourite. Hope you like the present he sent you and have a lovely Christmas. Was that present the colouring book? I remember getting a colouring book from Oliver, so I think that must have been the present. I haven't started colouring it in yet, of course. Been too busy, and I need to get some colouring pens. I don't have any, or pencils. So yes, at a time of quiet and I'm not doing anything, I'll start colouring that in. But yes, I think that's what Oliver bought me. So yes, thank you. It was much appreciated. Please include a shout out for Henry. He's 9 now, but we've been watching your videos since he was a toddler. Vacuums were his first special interest, and his first ever sentence was, "It's a Dyson," when a toy Dyson review came on. This is from Henry's 7th birthday, when he got his first ever real vacuum. He'd only received toy vacuums previously. Well, Henry, have you got a Henry? I can't see one in that picture, but you need to get yourself a Henry, because to have a vacuum cleaner that's got your name on is pretty special, I think. They haven't made one with my name on yet, Pneumatic, but you know, I'm still hoping. I've just been joined by Daisy here, who saw I was talking to the camera and wanted to get in on the action. Will you sit there, Daisy? You're out of shot now. She'll fall asleep in a minute. Right, let's carry on with the shout outs. I think I'll do a couple more in this video, and then I'll stop for now, and then I'll start some more shout outs for the next video. So if you don't see your shout out in this video, stay tuned, because another video will be following very, very soon. Hi Roger, it's Ollie from Australia. I've been watching your videos and my collection has grown a lot since last year. I've got Henry's, Dyson, Tinko and a Shark mop. And there he is. There's Ollie from Australia, who I think is having his summer. It's sunny in Australia, I expect. Sunny and warm. Well, it is quite sunny here today, actually, but it's not warm. And I think we're due some snow soon. So, yeah, a bit different from Australia. But there he is. There's Ollie with all his collection, or maybe not all of them, but certainly some of them. Nice to see that you can get Henry cleaners in Australia. Hi Roger, can you please give a huge shout out to my 5-year-old son Ismail, who is vacuum crazy. We love all your videos and have been watching them since he was 1. Henry for the win. And there he is, dressed as a Henry vacuum. I can even see Henry boots, a Henry hat and a Henry top, complete with hose attachment. So hopefully you have your own Henry by now. Every home needs a Henry vacuum, no matter where you are. Every home needs a Henry, and don't forget, a Henry is for life, not just for Christmas. We're past Christmas now, we're in the new year, but if you got a Henry for Christmas, please look after him and he'll look after you. And on that note, it's time to say goodbye for this video. If you haven't had a shout out yet, don't be too disappointed, because further videos will be following very, very soon, so stay tuned for those, because I'll be shouting out to a lot more young vacuum fans. I've had many, many requests this year to do them. So yes, if you haven't heard your name in this video, stay tuned for the next one. So until the next video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.